One thing I need to tell all of you is that this music now is broken. Hello and hi to everyone. Namaskar and namaste. So I'm very happy today, and obviously this is my first time I'm doing a product review in YouTube. Definitely happy. So let's not waste any time. So I have ordered like 11 products as much I can remember. So this is one Nykaa Lux, okay, and the others are okay, and this is box. So let's start. Simply ordered this one. I just bought this mini mixer, and actually if you're traveling, so I think this is far better than the bigger one. So I'm just okay, so this is okay. I'm going to go for this bigger box. So let's start with this one. This is EARTHRY's cleansing pads, reusable makeup removers. Also, it replaces up to 300 makeup wipes, wash and reuse, lasts up to 200 washes. And the price of this one is $330. One black, one white. Okay, they're really thick and spongy. We'll review that later. And so I have Forever 52's Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation. The price is this one. Expiry till 2026. That is correct. And I'm searching for the price. Okay, retails for $949 and I got it for $640 something. The shade is honey. Yeah, the shade is honey. So let's just this is very white. So this is the packaging inside. It comes in a form. Okay, and this is my most favorite product. This is their jasmine face mist, and it retails for $2.99, and I got it for $2.50 something. The quantity is really good, and I just love this one. This actually refreshes your face very well, so I'm not this is my third or fourth bottle. So I mean, I just love this product. This is actually very good both for oily skin types and dry skin types, and for winters for winters dry skin types, definitely try this one. This is great. And for oily skin types also, you can definitely use it in the winters. And like in summers I get heavily oily face, so I can't really use it for every single day, but whenever I'm feeling way too dry or my skin feels very tight, then I can definitely use it, and it's actually great. Okay, so this is from Nykaa. Their Gloss Boss Lip Balm, Vitamin C plus E, SPF 30, Strawberry Crush, retails for $2.49. I got it for $99. Okay, I got for $1.99. Alright. So this is how it looks. $1.99 for 12 gram of products. That is actually very good, and it has SPF 30, so it's definitely accurate. So let me just try it out. Not coming out. Will it come up? It is coming out. This is the color. Let's just try this. I have to remove my lipstick first, but it does feels very soft, and it's soft, and does have too much strawberry smell. I'm not interested in too much strawberry smell. I understand it later. Okay. Completed. Okay, so this is PSC's lash glue, and definitely I 100%. This is my first time. Getting this, and this retails for $4.95. This retails for $4.95. 99 per ml. Used by. It has till 2033. That's way big of a time. it's just way long for a time. So okay, no problem. So 5 ml of products in this one, so we will check while applying my lashes someday very soon. That's it. So okay, I just open, and this is from swissbeauty. They cleanser wipes, and it has 25 piece of wipes, triple function with cleaning, toner and cream. Okay, daily essential cleansing wipes with vitamins and natural low extract. Wipes away dirt and oil in one simple step for all skin types. So yeah, for all skin types, that's great. Price is 89 rupees only and used before 2025. So not bad. Also, it is alcohol free and dermatologically tested. So that is very good. These are all the products. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products here. 1 luxury products and others casuals. But 100% and definitely you can keep all these products in your vanity. I will do a review video. Another video. I'm just gonna review all these products. Mainly, you can definitely keep some wipes. I have 2 types of wipes. I will be reviewing them so that you can cleanse out any kind of makeup very fast. You definitely need some cleaning wipes also to just refresh your face as well. And Forever 52 foundations are great for any kind of party makeup look, and also for bridals. You can 100% use them for bridal makeups because their quality is really great. And yeah, for dry skin type, and if you want hydration, if you want good hydration in your face, then definitely you need this toner. Okay, you can apply any kind of toner and then use this face mist. Mainly face mist, you can definitely use this Loved face mist. And facial lash glue is mostly everybody's favorite. Facial lash glue is everybody's favorite, so you can definitely try. And if you want to refresh your makeup and also need some hydration as well as priming mist, 100% this one. And yeah, for some juicy lips, this is your okay, I will do a review, so please stay tuned and definitely keep on watching my videos. One thing I need to tell all of you, so that this music, this is broken. So packaging is not great. It is a compound. If the wire is broken, then it can just push on and all your products